Hi everyone, let's go ahead and go over the exit ticket. So number 1 says Tyler and his 3 friends ate out at Applebee's. Their bill totaled $52.35. They wanted to leave a 6% tip. What was the amount of the tip? So this right here is where you decide if it is a 1-step or a 2-step. So since it says just the amount of the tip, this is going to be a 1-step. And since it says tip, I know that I'm going to go ahead and take that percent. I'm going to multiply it by the amount of the bill. So I come over to my Desmos. I have 6%. And we know the word of means time, so it does that for me. And his meal costs $52.35. And this comes out to $3.14. Number 2. Kiara made some purchases at the Sunflower Market. She bought $15.70 worth of groceries. If sales tax is 5%, what will Kiara pay all together? So this is going to be a 2-step. And since it says tax, I know that I'm going to add because tax means you're always going to pay more. So step number 1 is I find 5% of $15.70. So I type that in. And I find out that the tax is 79 cents. And now I need to take that and add it on to the amount of the things that she bought. So I can get another line, hit answer, and it brings that down for me. Plus $15.70. And I find out that this is going to cost $16.49. So the answer is C. You have to round here because you know money only goes 2 places after the decimal. So if this next number is 5 or above, this has to get bumped up 1. So that's why it becomes $16.49. Number 3. Shayla is decorating her new house. She found a lamp at Pier 1 for $32.55. If there is a 15% discount on the lamp, how much will she save? Not how much will she pay total, just how much will she save. So that's a 1-step. So we take our percent and we're going to multiply that times the price to find out how much of a discount or how much she will save. And she saves $4.88. So the answer is A. And once again, we're rounding because money only goes 2 place values. This is a 2, so if it's below 5, this number always stays the same. Number 4, Naima is going shopping to buy a pair of shoes. She has $40 to spend. If the shoes originally cost $60 and are on sale for 30% off, will she have enough money? So this is a 2-step. And it's a discount, really, because it says off. So we're going to subtract for our second step. So we need to find what is 30% of 60. So we type that in. And she gets to take off $18 from the original price. So you take that $60 and subtract 18. And the shoes will now cost $42. So we look back at the problem and it says she has $40 to spend, so she does not have enough money for this. All right, thank you guys for watching.